Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do the velocity reverse edit in CapCut. So first, what you need to do is import your video and audio to CapCut like this, and then click on the audio and choose match cut and click on the auto generate and choose the beat to click on the check icon, and now split the clip on every second beat. So here is the first one, so I'm going to split in here. Oops. Okay, split again. So every second beat. Like so. Then after that, click on each clip and then go to speed and select curve, choose flash in. Okay, and then choose the flash in for all of the clips. Okay, click on the check icon. Then after that, export the video. Then after you export, go back to the project and then add the video you've just exported in here in the main track. Click on add. Okay, so the video has been added. Then after that, click on the video and then go to reverse. Okay, this one. Just wait. Okay, so now the reverse is done and the video, the velocity reverse will go like this. Okay, all you need to trim the black screen first. Okay, so it'll go like this, so it'll do in reverse at the end. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.